programming languages for better business. The potential of 10 programming languages to improve your business performance. Programming languages are essential for improving business performance in the field of technology. They facilitate automation and efficiency by acting as the foundation of business operations. Data analysis may be aided, errors can be decreased, and workflows can be optimized with strategic coding. As technology develops, it's becoming more and more important to understand programming languages to promote innovation and maintain a competitive advantage in the business sector. These 10 programming languages can greatly improve the performance of your company. 1. Python. Python is a great option for novices because of its well-known readability and simplicity. It is extensively utilized in web development, machine learning, and data analysis. Because of its broad library support, it can be used for a wide range of business applications. Additionally, Python provides a wide range of libraries and frameworks like Django, Flask, NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, making it simple for programmers to design robust and scalable applications. 2. Java. Java's write once, run anywhere philosophy makes it a popular choice for enterprise-scale applications. Because of its stability, security, and platform independence, it's ideal for creating business applications at the enterprise level. For Java, there is also a robust and well-established set of libraries and frameworks such as Spring, Hibernate, Apache, and Android that may help developers create applications that are safe, scalable, and compliant with regulations. 3. JavaScript. JavaScript is the cornerstone of modern web programming. It enhances the user experience by allowing interactive elements to the web pages on websites. Understanding JavaScript is crucial for businesses looking to include more dynamic components in their web presence, because it enables programmers to work with a variety of paradigms, such as object-oriented, functional, and event-driven, and from a multitude of libraries and frameworks, such as React, Angular, Vue, Node, Express, and jQuery. To create cutting-edge and user-friendly web applications, JavaScript is well known for its adaptability, popularity, and flexibility. 4. C++. The control and efficiency of C++ are well known. It is employed in the creation of games and systems or software. Companies that need applications with great performance frequently use C++. A wide range of libraries and frameworks, including STL, Boost, Qt, and Open, are also available in C and C++, which can assist programmers in creating intricate and potent programs. 5. Swift. The language used to create iOS apps is called Swift. Businesses that cater to Apple consumers should think about using Swift for their mobile applications because of the increasing popularity of iOS devices. 6. PHP. Web developers frequently utilize PHP, a server-side scripting language. It's appropriate for dynamic web pages and online apps because of its robust database connectivity and ease of use. 7. SQL. Structured Query Language, or SQL, is used to administer and work with databases. To get useful insights from their data, businesses handling big data sets need to be fluent in SQL. 8. R. R is a statistical computing and graphics language. It is extensively utilized in machine learning and data analysis. R is useful for companies that need to do statistical analysis and data visualization. 9. Go. Go, sometimes referred to as Golang, provides exceptional concurrency support and is intended for system-level programming. The use of Go is advantageous for enterprises that need multiprocessing and high-performance networking. 10. Rust. The primary goals of the system programming language Rust are memory safety and performance. WebAssembly applications, game creation, and system-level programming are among its uses. Conclusion. The best programming language for your needs as a business will depend on them. Choosing the appropriate tool for the task is crucial. Businesses can increase productivity, automate procedures, and make better judgments by selecting the appropriate programming languages. Thank you for watching this video.